Yeah, so in the beginning, we were $44 million in the hole, and we believed in the UFC. We thought it was the right idea, but you got to start questioning yourself. Is it the wrong time? Maybe it's the right idea, the wrong time. And we knew what we had to do was we had to get this thing on television. And basically, what turned everything around was making that final investment, the final $10 million to fund The Ultimate Fighter. We got a deal with Spike only if we paid for it, so it was basically like a time buy. We paid the $10 million, and we believed that if we got this thing on TV, people would want to watch it, and we were right. It took off, we pulled killer ratings, and that's what got us our television deal. You know, I've had this love-hate relationship with the media, and I said, wait a minute, there's a device out right now where I can talk directly to my fans, and we can engage in a one-on-one conversation. And I got Twitter, I got on it, and absolutely fell in love with it and became addicted to it. And then as you know, we started to grow as far as social media went, and I started utilizing it to, you know, think about all the different programming that we have and fights and tickets on sale and all these other things. It was a way to let people know, you know, I got 2.3 million followers of people who want to follow me because they want to hear what's going on with the UFC, and this was my way to speak directly to them. And then we put together a system to educate the fighters about social media, to get them on board, and we put together an incentive program to make them want to tweet, because I knew once they got engaged that they would like it. And it's again, let's say you're a fighter, right, or any other type of professional athlete, or any type of professional at whatever you do. You get, you know, you get these followers, and they can follow you everywhere you go. Even the guys who are in the UFC right now, Anderson Silva, when he's done fighting, he's going to move on to do something else in the next, you know, chapter of his life, and he's going to take his 3 million followers with him. It's a home run. Every year we've taken this company to another level, and last year were a lot of firsts for us too. We went into China. We did The Ultimate Fighter down in Brazil. Brazil blew up and exploded for us down there, and a lot of the same next year. We're going to go into India. It'll be the first time we've ever been in India. China was such a big hit for us. You know, we're doing big things in China now, and we're really focused on Brazil too, and continuing to grow this Fox deal. Fox, the thing that I love about being with Fox is, first of all, there are a lot of young, smart guys in that company, and they're very aggressive like we are. And they have big plans for the sport and the UFC, and we love working with them. So Fox and UFC are going to do some big things this year.
Thank you very much.
Cool.